Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Finding the volume of a solid with square cross-sections is easy if you follow these quick steps to set up your definite integral correctly. First, we identify the side length of each square cross-section by looking at the height of the shaded region, which is defined by the upper function minus the lower function. Since the cross-sections are squares, we square that side length to find the area of each slice before integrating across the entire interval from 0 to 12 along the axis. Finally, evaluate the integral of the squared side length to find the expression in option A. You solved this tricky problem! Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps.